Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on HMD Pulse Plus. So you have to start by opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and click on Manage your Google account. Now click on Data and Privacy, and here you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. And now you have to enter your password. And here you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes and click Delete account. And now your account should be removed, so now let's recover it by opening, for example, Google Play Store or any other app that requires you to log in into your Google account. And now click Sign In. Let's try again. And now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And then click I agree. Now scroll down and click accept. And as you can see, my parental control is bypassed and my account is recovered. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.